we will try the new Essager fast charging car charger. This is bendable around 180 degrees and confirm that it has a ambient light and it's RGB, so hindi lang siya one color. And there is a voltage display here. This is a LED display. So we have USB port, Type-C socket, and we have a lightning charger here, lightning cable that is retractable, and we have a Type-C that is a retractable also. Type-C that is 30 watts, and for the lightning that's 12 watts. For those who's asking around how long yung retractable cables natin, let me show it to you. And it's really working.